Out doing a little bit of testing and tuning tonight on Berger's car. He's going to take it down through here and just roll into it real quick. See if we can get this thing to act right. There it is. That sounded good.
It had a little bit of hesitation and things
Yeah.
still, but it was nothing like that.
No, that sounded pretty good. That thing sounds ridiculous, by the way. Oh my God.
I ain't never heard it from the outside.
Dude, it's nasty. Well, when we got here, Berger drove his car and realized that it just, I don't know, it was misfiring, up in boost. So he had just put the new plugs in the car, and they're like pre-side gap. They're the, what are those? Autolite AR39 24s. Anyway, so we're just regapping plugs right now. We're going to take it down the road. I've also got him set up with the 360 cam because Berger's always ready. So if somebody wants to get crazy, we'll have it on video. Dude, this light is trippy.
Bought you a new fuel gauge. So don't say I ain't never done you nothing.
Show them the new shirt. Look at that. Ooh, look at that orange. That looks good.
Time I did, I pay my dues affiliated to this paper. I need freedom for my family line. Draw my life design up like fine art. I'm jumping off just an unfamiliar coordinate. Topped off the porch like I could touch the sky. Red is not one trillion. The ism talk the water out your faucet. Look at me flossing. I'm so wavy, I could change the tide. My intuition sense the hatred in your ways. You imitated, forging lines, claim meaning means that's just to justify.
It never ends, guys. Check this out. We are out here working on Berger's car once again, and we think we're gonna try to replace the distributor and see if it doesn't fix kind of a little miss that the car has. We're gonna see if this fixes it. Basically what it is it's a this car's kind of had this issue for a long time. When he shifts really quick. Like Michael is a really good shifter. Well, sometimes maybe a little too much, because he hits third to fourth and second to third extremely fast, and you're basically in new cells. So in the tune, normally a curve is going to come up like this, right? Well, when you shift, it drops down and then comes straight back up into new cells that really we aren't tuned for. So I think we got most of that fixed. But the other issue is just the fact that every once in a while this thing wants to kind of misfire. We can't figure out what it is. So what we're going to do today is go ahead and just replace the distributor in this thing and just see if it works. That damn intake sealed up. That could be a reason why your AFR is all over the place.
It's a valve cover. Looks like the valve cover's cracked on this side.
Well, did you guys hear that? We worked on this thing for 2 days straight in Texas. One moment it would run good and the next moment it wouldn't. You know how it goes with these Fox bodies. It's just the way it is. Well, we thought it was the distributor. We thought it was the plugs, fuel pressure. We checked everything. Guys, it's usually something simple. Come to find out, long story short, we didn't even get the car off the trailer once we got back home. Berger grabbed the Mr. Fusion, the little smoke tester that I made, went out there, tested the car. Sure enough, the intake gaskets, the lower gaskets were just leaking like hell. I think we have found the issue. Also, the car didn't seem to have the power that it used to have, so yeah. It's going to be an animal once we get this done. Let's go ahead and get back to the video. I'll include a little bit of footage from the LMR cruise in itself, but we'll do a full video on that coming up soon. Look who we got in the house.
What's up, brother? Nice
What's
to see
up?
you, man.
Yeah, good to see you.
I'm excited, man.
Yeah, we got the
to
whole
hang out
crew.
with the cool kids.
Yeah, I hear you. This thing is so obnoxious. So, yeah. So we went with 6,000s on my car, and they sounded really good. So then he was like, "Oh, I want 9,000s." Like, he's got to have the loudest, and it's obnoxious.
I like it.
Yeah, oh yeah, it sounds awesome. It's so loud. Yeah, it's tucking. That's the way he likes it, so I can't say much. Mine's tucking too, so. After 2 days of working on Berger's car, we decided, maybe we got this thing good enough. It seemed to be running pretty good at times, so we decided we'd go out and make a hit between the Carbon Fox and his car. Here's that race now. As you can see, his car still broke up, so we're gonna have to redo this at some point. Hopefully this intake gasket fixes it, and we'll get you some footage from the next race. So while we were there, we also went to the hobby shop. Everybody picked up new RC cars. I actually ended up getting an X-Max from one of the guys that worked there. Had a ton of upgrades. Obviously it was used, got a really good deal on it. So we went out back, enjoyed these things, played with them a little bit of the downtime that we had while we were there. We love doing this every year. Next up, we went to Andretti's, which is a go-kart racing facility, and they have laser tag and everything else. This place was wild. Go, baby. Go, 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 go. Where are we at, man?
I don't know, bro, but we need one of these at the house.
Definitely. This is awesome. It's Camley Road one earlier. This place is massive.
If you're ready, put your helmet visor at least halfway down and give us a thumbs up.
Free pedal and turn the wheel.
Hi girls, did y'all have fun?
Yeah.
Did you have fun?
Yes, sir.
Y'all have fun?
We had a blast, man. This place.
Yeah, this place
Legit, man.
is awesome. Guys, I'm going to go ahead and wrap this video up. Stay tuned for the full video of the LMR cruise in. I got a lot of footage to go through, so it's taking me a little while. Thank you to everybody that came out and supported us. Awesome, awesome turnout. Love you guys. Catch you in the next one. And as always, thanks for watching.